Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into something super useful for all you mobile photography enthusiasts out there. I'm going to show you how to lock the brightness on your Android camera. This is a great trick for ensuring consistent lighting in your photos and videos. So let's get right into it. First things first, let's open up the camera app on your Android device. This might look a bit different depending on the brand of your phone, but don't worry, the process is generally the same across most Android devices. Alright, once you have your camera app open, you'll see the usual interface with your camera viewfinder, shutter button, and a few icons around the edges. Now let's find a subject to focus on. This could be anything, a person, an object, or even just the scene around you. Once you have something in view, tap on the screen where you want the camera to focus. You'll notice that when you tap, the camera adjusts its focus and also tries to set the exposure based on that spot. This is where we start working on locking the brightness. To lock the brightness, we're going to use the exposure lock feature. On many Android phones, after you tap to focus, you'll see a small sun icon or an exposure slider next to the focus area. If you see the sun icon, you can tap and hold it for a couple of seconds. This should lock both the focus and the exposure. You may see a small lock icon appear on the screen, indicating that the brightness is now locked. And that's it. Now you know how to lock the brightness on your Android camera. This small trick can make a big difference in the quality of your photos and videos. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.